What's up, traders? This is Vee Trades, and today I will be doing a technical analysis breakdown for NIO with the ticker symbol NIO. I will first be going over what I see on the daily chart and finish the video off with the weekly chart. So there's a couple of things before I get started. Make sure you hit the subscribe button down below if any of these stocks are in your portfolio or you want to follow them. I look at these stocks every sometimes couple of weeks, and I'm very consistent following my schedule. So if you have not done already, make sure you hit the subscribe button down below because I follow these popular stocks, and I've been doing chart analysis for over 4 years, and I'm very good at it. Next thing is that I get a lot of requests. Practically every video, someone's going to comment, or even a couple of people is going to comment, can you look at this chart? Can you look at that chart? I don't have time to look at all these charts. That's why I created this membership. So the membership's already been active for a while now, but I haven't like really pumped it out or marketed it that much. So I mean, if you join the membership, you get SPY daily recaps. I go over what happened during the day for the SPY, look at commodities, look at personal chart requests. So that's probably what most people are subscribed to for the membership. Every Thursday I'll look at your own chart request, and then there's a couple mini technical analysis courses also in the membership. The link in the video description below if you're interested. So let's take a look at NIO. So NIO is at the 1252 level currently. It's still, the market's open, but we have about half an hour left before it closes. So not really much is going to change. There's really not a strong news event coming out either. So I'm just going to do it right now. So basically 1251 for the NIO, and you can see that today's low was actually the 1194 level. So it's getting lower and lower, guys. I think you guys said there was strong support at the $13 level, but I didn't really see that because look at this. NIO had a massive pump up, and then we broke the channel and we made a new high. Once we made the new high, that's showing signs of weakness from the bulls, because why did they break the green channel? So this is the green channel I had. So you have to understand what the price is doing. Imagine if you're a bull, don't you want to stay within this green channel as long as you can? But once you break it, you know, that's showing signs of weakness because the angle of attack from the bulls is weaker. So that's the best conceptually way of explaining what's going on in the chart for that uptrend. So once we made a new high, look at what happened. The bears are doing the exact same thing that the bulls were doing. They're staying within this blue channel now. So the bears really haven't shown any signs of weakness yet. We're still within this downtrend blue channel. And actually, I can probably adjust it a little bit better now. So this probably fits better now since we have more data. So this looks like the blue channel that the bears are respecting. And look at, they haven't even broken it yet. So even if we break it, what do you think is going to happen? There's still a good chance we still go lower. That's usually what happens. So today we're bouncing off this trend line right here, this channel support, just a slight bounce from it. But again, that's probably not going to do anything. I don't think that's going to reverse price. NIO still looking bearish. And this level right here, this $14.60 level, I'm probably going to drag it down. I think this level right here has the most touches, and it's showing what price is doing. This 1324 level, it was support here, then it's turned into resistance here and here, and then price broke through it. Now we're back below it again. So this 1324 level was a key level in the past, not really the level that I had before. So this level right here, since we're below it, is much more bearish now because we couldn't find support from it. The bulls cannot find support from that level, and the bears are still in this downward blue channel. So what do you think its price is going? I was looking for that $10 level for a long time now, and we're getting closer and closer to it every day. And why am I looking for that $10 level? Because like 90% of the time, whenever you see a pump up and it fails, there's a good chance we come right back to that starting point. So that $10.50 level is still my target. I think we can get there. It's not guaranteed. If we just start, rallying out of here, then I'm not going to be looking for that target anymore. I'm going to look for higher price targets, but it's still a good chance that NIO is still looking weak, and I'm looking for more downside. You can see that we're still within the blue channel. Even if we do see a break of it or a pullback, there's still a good chance we still see lower price targets. What would make me be bullish is that we do get back above this 1324 level and hold it, and then go up higher. So as long as we get above it and hold it, I think there's a very good chance we do continue to trend higher, maybe to the $17 level, the $17.50. Because that was also a key level in the past. So NIO still looking bearish. Not much has changed on the chart. Doesn't matter the candlesticks. You can see that today's candlesticks look like you would say, what the book would say, like a tail bar or bullish reversing candle bar. But who cares about the candle bar when it's at the bottom of a downtrend? I mean, that doesn't really mean anything. The candlestick, so basically, is this candlestick going to reverse this entire downtrend right here? Is this candlestick going to reverse this entire bearish momentum? Probably not. So that's why I don't really care about the candlestick that much. I care about the structure. It's a downtrend in play. Downtrend even if we see a break of it, there's a good chance we see lower prices. So just because I don't, talk about certain things on the chart, doesn't mean I don't know, exactly what's going on in the chart or like everything. I know like candlestick patterns, I know candlestick charts, I know volume, I know some of these indicators. I don't have to use every single tool that I know to analyze the chart, because then you start getting analysis paralysis. You know what I'm saying? I use enough tools to understand what the price is doing. The channels, the measure move targets, and the lines are basically all you need to analyze the price chart. That's the right amount of tools needed to analyze the price chart. So NIO still bearish until we see maybe a break above this $13.20 level and price holding it. Then I'll be still bearish. I'm looking for that $10 level. I think every day we get lower and lower to that $10 level. Every day, almost every day we gap down lower, and we do see a nice green bar, but price still continues to gap down lower and lower. It's still bearish, and I'm sticking to that target until we see something drastically change. Do I think this channel is in play any longer since we just bounced from it? It is a possibility. Like I said before, I'm not saying we're 100% sure going to reach the $10.50 level. No one should be saying that. I'm not saying that either. What I'm saying is that it's still bearish looking enough for price to continue to travel down lower. However, let's just say the structure changes. Let's say we break this channel and we do not look back. Then this channel might be a little bit higher. And what I want to see first is price get above the 1324 level and confirm it as support, and confirm the bearish momentum is over for higher price targets. Right now, I can't confirm that for you guys. I still think there's a good chance we still see lower price targets for NIO, because this technically could be just an overshoot of the orange channel, and that will lead to a breakout on the opposite side of the orange channel, which would be right to the $10 level. But that's all I have for NIO. Basically, sharp drop down lower, still dropping. I don't care about the candlesticks. As long as we're still below the 1324 level or the low 13s, there's a good chance we hit the $10.50 level. If we get above it, I want to see price hold it. I don't want to see price just do something like this. I call it a peekaboo, meaning we just peak above the level and then we drop down lower. So if we just do that, then clearly it wasn't acting as support. I want to see a shift in momentum. Right now, the bears are clearly winning and dominating the chart. So I know I said a lot, but I wanted to really explain what was going on the chart. So here we have the weekly chart for NIO, and overall last week was a very big red bar. It just shows a very strong drop and a push through this low 13 level. So we're still below it. There's a good chance we still see lower price targets. The EMA is also right in the $10 level range. So it looks like price is trying to catch up to it or pull back to it. So NIO still looking bearish. Not really a big change overall. I'm still bearish on NIO. I think there's a good chance we hit lower price targets. Once we hit to the $10 level, would I be bullish? I'll be neutral. It could be bullish once again, but right now the chart is clearly telling me that the stock is bearish as of right now. So that's all I have for NIO on the daily and weekly charts for Monday, and I'll give you guys an update on Wednesday. This is Vee Trades, and thank you for your time. The Vee Trades technical analysis course is now live. Learn to read the chart the right way to prevent costly mistakes. Click the link below to start training now.